Hello everyone, this is Padlock. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another vlog. Today's lock is this little Sterling laminated lock, which is actually a lot more difficult than I was expecting it to be. But that might be why, something to do with that bitting. Some nasty bitting on that. So it works. I'll show you the bitting of that key gun. It's crazy bitting. So I'm going to try and get this one in the hand, if I can. I might well need a deeper profile than this. Full set. Trying to find that binder. There we go. Oh, that was a lot more difficult than I was expecting it to be, I'll be honest. So looking at the bitting of that key, there's some naughty bitting, especially here and here. But yeah, nice little lock. Happy to get that one opened. Another one bites the dust. If you watched it this far, thank you very much for watching. See you later.